2013 Victory motorcycle lineup rolls out of Spirit Lake, Iowa, with the highest performing collection of bikes to hit the street. We're an American company that believes no matter where you ride or how you ride, we've got the best damn bikes on the planet. More riders rode Victory bikes in the last year than any time in our history. And every one of them found out how our bikes blow the competition off the road. The Victory Edge. 5 areas our bikes outperform all others. Reliability, handling, performance, storage, and comfort. The 2013 lineup has a bike for every rider out there. Starting with the baggers that reflect the bold attitude of those who roll down the streets in gritty style. The Victory Cross Country is an industry-leading performance bagger that leads the way. The Crossroads Classic is a world-class bike in a premium shell. Dressed in chrome, this bagger will get you out on the road the way you want to ride. And the Victory Hardball, the bold, badass bagger with a style you're either born to ride or you're not. Leading the way among the cruisers, all new in 2013, we took the style and attitude of every laid-back rider who loves a quick escape and built a bike around it. It's the Victory Boardwalk, the classic-style cruiser with relaxed ride in its DNA. American muscle never died, just needed handlebars. The judge is modern-day performance with an old-school soul. And the Victory Highball is back. Innovation built into old-school design. This classic bobber refuses to sacrifice performance, making it one of the most sought-after bikes in the Victory lineup. If you're touring in luxury, you're on a Victory. For those hardcore riders who churn out the miles on week-long journeys all over the nation, the Victory Cross Country Tour is the most comfortable touring bike on the market, period. Baggers. Cruisers. Touring. Ride one, and you'll own one.